Hey guys, welcome back to Man Glow Up. Now, if you're over 30, you might have noticed your hair isn't quite what it used to be. Maybe you're finding more hair on your pillow, noticing a receding hairline, or thinning spots on top. The reality is, by age 35, over 2/3 of men experience some form of hair loss. But before you start to panic, don't worry, I've got your back. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know to stop hair loss in its tracks and keep your hair looking healthy and thick for years to come. Now, I get it. Dealing with thinning hair can be a real confidence killer. It's something that many of us face. But the good news is, there are steps you can take right now to maintain and even regrow your hair. Whether it's hair products, lifestyle changes, or just getting the right haircut to work with what you've got, we're covering it all. So, stick around for tips that could change your entire hair game. Before we talk about solutions, let's get back to the basics, understanding your hair type. This is crucial because not all hair products work for all types of hair. We've got 4 main categories of hair: type 1, straight; type 2, wavy; type 3, curly; and type 4, coily or kinky. And each of these types has subcategories, A, B, and C, based on the thickness and curl pattern. The key takeaway here is that some hair types are more prone to thinning, while others naturally have more volume and resilience. For example, if you have straight or wavy hair, you may notice that thinning is more apparent because the hair lies flat on the scalp. But for curly or coily hair types, thinning may not be as noticeable right away because of the texture and volume that these hair types naturally have. Regardless of your hair type though, there are strategies that can help. Alright, let's talk products. This is where most guys go wrong. A lot of you might be using products that are actually doing more harm than good. The first thing to do is to switch to a hair thickening shampoo and conditioner. These products are specifically designed to strengthen your hair from the roots and add volume, making your hair appear fuller and healthier. Look for shampoos that contain biotin, caffeine, and saw palmetto. These are ingredients that are scientifically proven to promote hair growth by stimulating your hair follicles. And don't forget about a good conditioner. The goal here is to keep your scalp and hair hydrated, which helps to prevent breakage and thinning. Next, let's talk about styling products. If you've noticed your hair is starting to thin, it's time to rethink the way you style it. Heavy gels, waxes, and pomades can weigh down your hair, making it look flat and lifeless. Instead, go for lightweight products that add volume, like sea salt spray or fiber. One of my favorite tricks is using a sea salt spray. It gives your hair texture and volume without weighing it down. Spray it on damp hair and then blow dry for maximum lift. And speaking of blow drying, here's a quick tip. Blow dry your hair in the opposite direction of your natural part to add extra volume. You'll be surprised how much fuller your hair looks when you do this. Now, if you're dealing with more advanced hair thinning or hair loss, you might want to consider incorporating a leave-in treatment like a hair serum or hair oil. These products not only moisturize your scalp, but also nourish your hair follicles, helping to slow down the hair loss process. Hair serums are especially great for men with curly or coily hair because they help to define curls while keeping frizz at bay. And if you're using heat tools like a blow dryer or straightener, serums can also protect your hair from damage. Alright guys, let's talk about haircuts. Choosing the right style can make a world of difference when it comes to dealing with thinning hair. If you're experiencing hair loss, go for cuts that work with your hair, not against it. For example, the textured Caesar cut is perfect if you're dealing with a receding hairline. It adds texture to the front and draws attention away from thinning areas. The crew cut, on the other hand, is a classic style that works by minimizing the contrast between your sides and the top, making your hair look fuller. And for those of you who still have some volume on top, the swept back pompadour can add height and give you a fuller look. Remember, confidence is key. No matter what stage of hair loss you're at, it's important to find a style that makes you feel good and works with your natural hair. And don't be afraid to experiment. Hair grows back, and there are so many products out there that can help you achieve the look you want. And here's something most people don't think about: your diet. The health of your hair starts from within, so make sure you're eating foods rich in omega-3s, biotin, and other vitamins that support hair growth. Eggs, spinach, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon are great options to include in your diet. So gents, whether you're just starting to notice some thinning or you've been dealing with hair loss for a while, these tips are here to help you stop hair loss in its tracks and keep your hair looking thick, healthy, and stylish. And remember, it's not just about the products you use, it's about finding the right routine that works for you. From choosing the best haircut to using the right shampoo, conditioner, and styling products, you can still have amazing hair, no matter where you are on your hair journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Man Glow Up for more grooming, style, and confidence tips. And hey, drop a comment below. Let me know what products or routines have worked for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts.